Hi everyone, I just wanted to start out with thank you for all that you're doing, and just know that this is really unprecedented times in healthcare. So if you need anything or if we need to make some sort of accommodation, please reach out to me. I know I've spoken with most all of you individually by email or by phone, but if there is something that is a pressing need, please do let me know and I will work with you. So, with that being said, just kind of a recap. We are, of course, just finished up our Change Project Logic models. They were due April the 10th. Your project presentation is due by May the 1st. And I know many of you have practicum sites where you're not able to do a live presentation. In that case, you can video your presentation as if you were giving the presentation to your audience, and you can offer that to your practicum location to view at a future time. But please go ahead and record your video and upload it and get a link, and you can submit the link in Blackboard as your assignment, because I know many of you can't do the live presentations. So if you can do so, please proceed with doing the live presentation. But if not, that's perfectly fine. And if you have any questions or concerns about doing that, please do let me know. The other thing is your next journal entry will be due April the 14th, and then your final journal entry needs to be completed by May the 1st. If you anticipate any difficulty getting your practicum hours completed, please let me know. We can work on some alternate hours for you. So if you have any questions, concerns, just do let me know, and just remember that you do need to complete your practicum hours based on our projection for success by May the 1st. And that means that you need to have your logs turned in, and your preceptor evaluation, and your evaluation of your preceptor as well. So just let me know if you have any questions, but that's just kind of a recap of what we have left. It's amazing that we are already this far in our course. But like I said, if you need anything, please do let me know. Take care now.